Let's talk about diffusing. This is the first way that I used essential oils ever. I got my essential oil kit and a diffuser came with it. And as soon as I got the package, I opened it and started diffusing. I think it was citrus fresh. So diffusing is probably the most common way that people use essential oils, just for scent, replacing candles and things like that. But also there's lots of therapeutic benefits. I love diffusing, but there are a few things that I wish I would have known before I just jumped right in. So I have 5 or 6, 5 different tips to make your diffusing experience better, hopefully. So the first mistake that people make is using low quality essential oils and thinking that it's better than using the candles. So when you're buying an essential oil from Hobby Lobby or like Target or places that are not the highest quality essential oils, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, it's no better than your synthetic candle. It's probably the same fragrance oils and it's just no different. So there's no point in replacing candles and thinking you're doing better. So make sure you use a high quality essential oil. We have our favorite brands down below always, because when essential oils are low quality, they're not beneficial and they could be dangerous to use, just like candles are. A lack of therapeutic benefits are also missing. So just use a good quality brand. Second mistake that I used, and I know that it's a common thing, is just overloading your diffuser with essential oil. You don't have to use 12 drops of essential oil. Even if your box in your instruction pamphlet says use 10 to 12 drops or whatever, my rule of thumb is just adding enough to where you can smell them. So start with 2 drops. I don't know, it depends on the size. This is a personal handheld diffuser and I use 1 drop in this, so it just depends on the size, but don't overload it. Less is more. Essentially, you're going to save money and you just simply don't need to use that many drops to get the benefits. And it could also cause things like headaches and just different negative side effects too. So start small. Neglecting proper ventilation is next. And so this is especially important if you have babies, elderly, or like pets around. Make sure that you're in a big enough space and that you're giving your pet specifically an option to move away if they want to from the diffuser. It's also good to have a window open too if you are in a smaller space. So like in this bedroom, I have a small diffuser. I use a very small amount of oils in my diffuser, and then sometimes I'll even have the window open too. So essential oils are volatile compounds, and so you just want to use them minimally, intentionally, and safely. So don't overload it, and then don't use too much in a small area. Leaving the diffuser unattended. This is something I'm definitely guilty of from time to time. You like turn on the diffuser and then maybe forget about it. But be intentional. That just comes back to that. Like set it for 10 minutes if you have that kind of timer setting, or set a timer so you can remember to come back and turn it off. Just don't let it run all day. It's not necessary, and it's just not the safest way to diffuse and use your essential oils aromatically. Neglecting regular cleaning is last. So this is number 5, and this is something also that I'm guilty of. It's just another thing, you know, like cleaning your diffuser. It seems daunting and it really takes 5 seconds. So clean your diffuser regularly. I think I have a whole video on that, but if you want me to do an updated how to use a diffuser video, let me know. I know I compared a bunch of different ones a few weeks ago, but basically, you take everything apart that you can. This is only 2 pieces, but some will have like different lids and things. And you can either run just some vinegar through it. You can clean it, wipe it with vinegar, use a Q-tip, get in all the little nooks and crannies and clean every bit of it. This one is a little bit dirty, so I just use either thieves cleaner or vinegar and just clean. You can also run some witch hazel through, and that will help with like cleaning it out too. Another thing too is using clean water, so using distilled or filtered water, especially if you have well water. I've ruined diffusers before with well water, and we have city water now, and I even use our filtered water or distilled water even with city water. So you want to make sure you're using clean water in your diffuser. It's just going to help your diffuser run longer, maintain its like optimal, how it's supposed to work performance. Okay, so I think that's it. Again, our favorite oils and diffusers and accessories are always linked below, but let me know if you have any specific questions. I hope this was helpful. I'm trying to do more of these like shorter quick tip types of videos, so let me know if you like them. Thank you guys for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.